Hi friends. Today we are in Central Florida. By seeing the background, you might be thinking we are in a forest. You are right. We are going for a safari today. Let's go. The place where we are going, called Showcase of Citrus, which is Florida's fresh air attraction. It is a family-owned business which has 2,500 acres estate, cultivating over 50 varieties of citrus, which began in 1989. This amazing attraction located just outside of Orlando, the city called Claremont. So here on the left side of the road, we can see the entrance of this amazing family-owned attraction. This place is open every day of the year, and there is something for everyone of all ages. That's the special about this place. There is nothing like main attractions here. There are many choices if you want to spend one whole day here. But sure, there are some great productive activities such as You Pick Citrus, which has a program they have a vast area of citrus farm which has several kind of citrus grows there. So you can pluck whatever you want of your taste. So another interesting thing here is monster truck tours through the ranch, which is an amazing but short and mind-blowing safari. Another interesting activity is gem mine. So if you are a person fond of geology or science, it's a good thing to do. So you can take home maybe beautiful treasures including arrowheads, crystals, fossils, emeralds, shark teeth, shells, and kind of things. Anyhow, let us register for the tour now. So that we can explore here freely. The registration center is located inside this country store. We can find here variety of stuff. This place is famous for its 100% natural orange juice. You can find locally made handcrafted jams, jellies, hot sauce, barbecue sauce, fruit-based salads, dressings, tropical fruit wines, soaps, and many more. If you are looking for the perfect Florida souvenir, gift or something for your mother or your family member, I would say that this is the perfect place. Okay, here you go.
Are you paying by cash or card? On the tour, so we have our coolers, our slushies, the bar. It's travel day, so you guys got some time to hang out.
Got the ticket, so let's go. They really have a nice setup here. It's awesome too. Rub the rock, make a wish, and throw into the water. Your wish will come true. This is the Florida version of southernmost point. They have made a real nice, relaxing atmosphere here. It's really relaxing. If you truly came to kill some time here, you can catch and throw fish here. Just catch and drop alligator. See if you come and sit here, so relaxing, nice breeze and inside the water, so good. You can be a captain.
Hey, look at boat.
This alligator is a dummy. So now it is our time to go and enjoy the amazing truck ride. So it says it's the world's largest monster truck. So let us go and experience it. This is the truck we are going to climb. These are the ladders behind. The 3-level ladder itself is 3-level. So it's like a strip ladder. See, this is my height and I am going to climb on this. Wow. This is really a monster truck. Maybe tiger can jump, I cannot. The directions to pick the oranges, citrus are here. Citrus, different type of citrus, roots. So which area, which kind of citrus you can find, it's given in details here. Cornhole. Even with the COVID pandemic, the truck is full. This is our time to get into the monster truck. Let's go. This is something strange I found in US. So everyone is responsible for their own safety. So I decided to wear mask, although people hesitate to wear it.
Hello. Hi. All right. Very good. I want to welcome you all to the Showcase of Citrus Monster Truck Ride. My name is Arnie, and I'll be your driver. We'll be out for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on what we see, and we're going to have some fun. All right, we're going to start out with a quick tour of the groves, and we'll go from there to a small canal. Hopefully see an alligator. We saw one on the last trip, but they're starting to come out. And then we'll go through a big swamp, about 4 feet deep. Last but not least, before we come on back here, we will go visit our resident zebras. The zebras over in the enclosure before we come back.
Yeah, now I got the real monster feeling.
All right, this is a 2,500 acre working citrus and cattle farm. And right over here on this side is about 600 acres of citrus trees alone. On that acreage, about 60 different varieties of citrus. They all ripen at different times of the season. So that means we always have something ready, fresh for you to pick right off the tree. If you're interested in doing that, check with somebody in the store that gives you all the details you need. Over to you.
We are going through the beautiful water, but it's wild and there are alligators, so we found some of them. Here I realized the importance of the big whales.
Tutaj jest droga miejsce.
All right, I'm going to start at the front, go all the way back. Everybody can grab one oar, throw it off either side, see what they do. This guy over here is a Watusi from Africa. And the big one over here, and the lighter color one with the big horns, that's a Texas Longhorn. The rest of them are all Brangus cattle.
Jak chcesz, to możesz nawet do dziadzia strony iść.
Some of these may be a little soft, so be careful with them. We usually pick them up off the ground.
Pan od przodu wszystko. Idź tutaj po Nobertę i
But the only thing we didn't see was snake. That's the female and he's the barcode. That's the male's name, Scanner. And then we have little Billy Goat here, and he looks so cute. He will eat anything. Get a goatee.
So now we are going back, but there are some more animals to see. It would be awesome. Gave a small tip to our driver, our guide, and now it is time to visit the farm animals. They have chickens, goats, pigs, a miniature horse, kangaroo, donkey, and other friendly animals in the farm. The good thing is that if you like to feed the animals, you can buy the animal feed in the souvenir containers. So it is available in their shops which we saw.
I know.
This is not for you.
Here, watch. Maybe he's not. Maybe he can't reach it anymore.
This is Blue, the emu.
Mommy, look. Look at
Like the camera? Look like she like the camera. And the tripod?
Pet him. Cow.
Oh,
Love
Daddy,
cow.
good job.
You know your bucks.
Two little turkeys.
Jasper, the kangaroo.
And we get orange.
Let's go. And also there is amusement for kids. Oh, look like they are suffering. Let me help them. They need some help. Hey, come on. Here is the fault. He don't. He's lazy. Yeah, fix it. So friends, here we are wrapping up this video. So I assume everyone enjoyed the showcase of citrus. So this is an amazing place. If you are in Orlando, if you are in Claremont, if you come for a Disney visit, it's a good place to visit. So anyhow, please guys, once again I would like to remind you to subscribe my YouTube channel, Easy Biker. Thank you. Please take care.